Plant FAQs, Cassia javanica, rainbow shower tree. As a passionate gardener, I often find myself drawn to the vibrant beauty of various plants. One that has caught my attention is Cassia javanica, commonly known as the rainbow shower tree. Its striking flowers and unique characteristics make it a fascinating addition to any garden. Here, I'll answer some frequently asked questions about Cassia javanica, from germination to care. What is Cassia javanica? Cassia javanica is a tropical tree known for its stunning cascading flowers. Originating from Southeast Asia, it can grow up to 30 feet tall and features fern-like leaves. The flowers are typically yellow with hints of pink, creating a picturesque display, especially during the blooming season. The tree also produces long seed pods that add to its visual interest. How to germinate Cassia javanica seeds. If you're looking to grow your own Cassia javanica, you might be wondering how to germinate Cassia javanica seeds. The process isn't complicated, but it does require a bit of patience. Here's how I've done it. Prepare the seeds. Start by soaking the seeds in warm water for about 24 hours. This helps soften the hard outer shell and speeds up the germination process. Choose the right soil. Use a well-draining potting mix, preferably one that contains a good amount of organic matter. I find that a mix of potting soil and sand works well. Plant the seeds. Sow the seeds about an inch deep into the soil. Make sure to space them adequately if you're planting multiple seeds. Provide adequate moisture. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. I often mist the soil surface to maintain humidity. Warm environment. Place the pots in a warm location with indirect sunlight. Germination typically occurs within 2 to 4 weeks, so keep an eye on them. How to care for Cassia javanica. Caring for Cassia javanica is essential to ensure its healthy growth. Here are some key points. Light requirements. This tree loves sunlight. Make sure it gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watering. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. However, avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Fertilization. Feed your Cassia javanica with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to encourage vibrant blooms. Pruning. Prune the tree to maintain its shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. This promotes better airflow and reduces disease risk. How to propagate Cassia javanica. While germinating seeds is a popular method, Cassia javanica can also be propagated through cuttings. I've had success with this method as well. Select healthy cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings about 6 inches long from a healthy plant. Make sure there are a few leaves on each cutting. Rooting hormone. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage root development. Plant the cuttings. Insert the cuttings into a well-draining soil mix, ensuring they are stable. Keep moist. Cover the cuttings with a plastic bag or a mini greenhouse to retain moisture. They should root in a few weeks. Can you grow Cassia javanica indoors? While Cassia javanica thrives outdoors in tropical climates, it can be grown indoors in larger containers if you have sufficient light. Ensure your indoor environment receives enough sunlight, or consider using grow lights to provide adequate illumination. Is Cassia javanica toxic? Many gardeners wonder about the safety of their plants. Thankfully, Cassia javanica is not considered toxic to pets or humans. However, it's always wise to keep an eye on any plant interactions with curious pets. Benefits of Cassia javanica. Aside from its beauty, Cassia javanica offers several benefits. Shade provider. Its broad canopy provides excellent shade, making it a great choice for parks and gardens. Erosion control. The tree's roots help prevent soil erosion, especially in sloped areas. Wildlife attraction. The flowers attract butterflies and bees, enhancing biodiversity in your garden. Common problems with Cassia javanica. Despite its resilience, Cassia javanica can encounter a few issues. Some common problems include leaf spot disease. This fungal issue can cause brown spots on leaves. I recommend improving air circulation and avoiding overhead watering to prevent this. Pest infestations. Watch for aphids or scale insects. Using insecticidal soap has worked well for me when these pests show up. Comparing Cassia javanica with similar trees. If you're considering other options, you might compare Cassia javanica with the golden shower tree, Cassia fistula. Both trees are known for their beautiful flowers, but Cassia javanica generally has a more vibrant color palette and a slightly different growth habit. In conclusion, Cassia javanica is an extraordinary tree that can enhance any landscape with its stunning floral display and numerous benefits. With a bit of care and attention, you can enjoy the beauty of this tree in your garden for years to come. Happy gardening!